Hello, my name is Bindu. So today I'll be going the dataset we chose, movies.csv, over the second part where I'm going to discuss about the idioms. How does the idiom encode important attributes? What design decisions did we have to make, and why we made the decisions? I'll also be demonstrating one of the visualization in one of the software tool we used in Tableau. So let's get started. So, first of all, idioms are the distinct approach of creating and manipulating the visual representations. Whenever we are first making the visual representations, we want our idioms to be easily understandable by the users or the viewers. So, the idioms we use in this project to answer some of our research questions were bar graph, horizontal charts, line graph, tree map, and pie charts, etc. I'll be going over all of the idioms we used and how important they were, and then how does this idiom encode the important attributes. So let's get started with a bar chart. Bar chart idiom takes the categorical attribute to match well with the spatial reasons. The idioms encode important attributes with the line marks and express the value attributes with the aligned vertical position and the separate key attribute with the horizontal position. So we had our two attributes. We had worldwide gross. We took worldwide gross and IMDb rating, where we used a bar chart to see how the IMDb ratings are affecting the worldwide gross, or is there any relation between them, if there is any connection between them. So we use bar chart for that. The the idioms, the second idiom we use for movie major genre and worldwide gross, we use horizontal bar charts where the attributes in this case were major genre and the worldwide gross. This design was used to analyze how genre has been profitable or wide. This chart gives us a clear understanding of data by depicting a clear view on the nature of the data. To find which movie genre has the most or lowest worldwide gross, the answer can be interpreted easily. So that move on to the next, we checked how the movie industry has evolved over time. We took three combination attributes where production budget versus release year, worldwide versus the release year, US gross versus the release year were some of the attributes that we took, and we created a line graph visualization, which is useful in checking how the evolution of movie industry has taken place. Also, whenever I'll be going to my Tableau, I'll be displaying all of these visualization we had created. So the line graph encodes the important attributes by aligning the vertical position to express the value attribute, separate order by key attribute into horizontal reasons. So we also used a pie chart, which is used to see which genre has been most profitable over time. We used the color coding. The pie chart was developed in a Google Data Studio. So the colorful coding helps to identify which slice has the most part and identify it as the genre which has been profitable over the time. We used tree map. This tree map was designed to see the Rotten Tomatoes received by each genre and how is the MPA rating for each genre. The idiom encodes the important attributes. It is used for a large hierarchical data set. Okay, so for one of the visualization that we created, here is a tableau that we used, and this one was for the worldwide gross versus IMDb rating. If there is any relation between them, the research question was how does the IMDb rating relate to worldwide gross? So here we can see the IMDb ratings are in the x-axis and the worldwide gross are in the y-axis, where these are two of our attributes. And if we hover over the mouse, we see the IMDb rating as well as the worldwide gross that's related to that particular movie. And if we go over here, the IMDb rating of 5.8.74 and the worldwide gross, and here we have the IMDb rating of 6.408 as well as the worldwide gross. So this is how the visualization works. It's very easy. We use Tableau and Tableau Public to create this visualization. So this actually, like whenever a person sees or tries to interpret these visualizations, whenever they take a look, they will know which how is the relation between the two components, or in this case IMDb rating and worldwide gross. So we have some more visualization. Here is the line graph where it shows the evolution of the year as well as the production budget that was used, versus the release year. Here the worldwide gross versus the release year. The year of release, as the year of release up to here, it goes up, and the gross goes up to, and then it's downfall after that. So even in here, the US gross versus the release year, it's compared worldwide, US and the production budget. So these these visualization helps us to understand how these two components, or how these two different attributes, or two or more than two attributes, are related to each other. Here is another one. We have tree map. So this in this tree map, our goal was to take out the number of Rotten Tomatoes as well as the genre and the rating. Okay, so these color saturations are displayed, and these are really easily understandable or easily interpreted by the users. Thank you.